Next day again we came to Madura Junction. We are traveling to Agra. Not this train. Train is at 9:23 actually, but it is already late. So they will be coming around 10 to. If we miss this train again, it will be by 1 o'clock only. So we'll get that train and we'll go to Agra. This is our outfits today. Mathura Junction. Train will come to platform number 1. If you want to book your tickets, you can tick here unreserved. But better to do from UTS app. That also not inside a railway station, it will not work. You have to book it before only. Or else it will not book, then again you have to go for unreserved. So better if it is urgent, book from room itself through UTS app. It is same rate only. There is no much difference. W1906 at 9:58 in platform number 1. We already reached platform number 1. So in platform number 1 only you have Food Plaza, food track. Here you will get South Indian foods also. We will try now. We will let you know. You have these many items. Curd rice or goodie. And here they mentioned the baby food also available. Nice area. Baby food also available. But what they will give baby food? Masala dosa 150, veg biryani 180, veg manchurian plus noodle rice 200, veg kamsam thali 200. All are good spellings. Find the mistakes. So this is only masala dosa, and we have ordered one coffee. Total 180 rupees. Kutti Manga.
May I have your attention please? Train number 11906 from
Agra train has came. The avlo rush illa. S2, S1 general last leather. This is AC. This is general. Takan area. All experienced people. Hey, inge va Chaitra. Successfully reached Agra Kant. We saw one different type of train. Sirohi Saloon. they are only giving bottle it is 10 rupees. If you have a bottle, it is just 5 rupees. We are going to
It's good. In train we are getting 20 rupees, but no cold water.
15 rupees.
20 only they are asking.
Cold water is 20.
और दिस योर ताजमहल आगरा फोर्ट बालाजी टेम्पल दिस योर प्राइस
Tirupati
members.
temple.
नो बेडिंग चार्ज नो पार्किंग चार्ज नो एक्स्ट्रा मनी ओनली 700 रुपीज बट टाइम कम बैक किया 5 o'clock 4 o'clock साइट सीन फिनिश स्टेशन ड्रॉप दीदी दिस योर बिल योर पुलिस मैन दिस योर बिल योर गाड़ी नंबर मोबाइल नंबर योर बिल ओके
Only Taj Mahal is enough. Only Taj Mahal is
ಅದೇ 400 ಅಂತ.
ताजमहल you're going back only 400 rupees
Only going?
only 200 rupees you're
Only
dropping
going 200.
all of you
200 and-
going back madam very good no betting charge 1 hour 2 hour 3 hour Taj Mahal no betting
the same vehicle.
same
Same
sir
vehicle.
same
400 okay.
और आगरा फोर्ट टेम्पल ओनली 700 all of you
Taj
No, no.
Mahal and Agra Fort, how much?
तो मैडम योर 700 rupees दिस योर आगरा फोर्ट you're going back 350 going back only 750 हो रहा है मैंने only 700 total
ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ 700. ಯಾವ್ದಿರಲಿ?
this your full day your sightseeing so your full day Taj Mahal Agra Fort Ahmadullah Mehtab Bagh temple so your full day this price full day
Full day no need.
ಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ನೋಡಿ.
but time your terrain didi but time your terrain
ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗಿದೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್?
We have to go afternoon. So here you can pay 610. After that, you have to pay 100 rupees for that.
8939 okay
So this is our distance starting for Agra, and only Agra means 300. It is 400. Agra plus Taj Mahal plus Agra Fort means it is 700. So starting you have to pay 610 rupees. Then after coming you have to pay 100. We'll go to Agra, Taj Mahal and we'll start.
ring अपना ताजमहल के अंदर पानी का बोतल कैमरा मोबाइल वॉलेट ये 4 चीज़ अंदर अलाउड है खाने पीने का सामान अलाउड नहीं है बैग के अंदर
ಹಾಂ ನೋ ಪಾನಿ ಮಾಡಿ
पानी वाटर है तो अलाउड है और ताजमहल
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಅಲೋಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
हाँ कैमरा मोबाइल ये अलाउड है यही है और ताजमहल के पास है ना आपको छोटा छोटा लोग बड़ा लोग परेशान करेगा मैडम गाइड ले लो गाइड लेने का नहीं
ಹಾಂ
सही है सीधे जाने का सीधे वापस आने का वहाँ तो कोई शॉपिंग नहीं करने का
ಹಾಂ
सब डुप्लीकेट आइटम है
ಓಕೆ
सही है वहाँ पे क्या है आपका 20 रुपये का सामान होगा ना
हाँ।
100 रुपये मांगेगा 200 मांगेगा
ಹಾಂ
समझिए
हाँ।
अपना सीधे जाने का सीधे वापस इधर आने का
ಹಾಂ
सही है पार्किंग में गाड़ी लगाकर मैं उधर
पार्किंग में आप
हाँ मैं वहाँ पर मेरा आप घूम जाओगे इधर आके
हाँ,
फोन करने का मैं आप इधर आ जाएगा 2 मिनट में ओके दे दो 100 रुपीज़ योर पार्किंग वही सही है अपना पॉकेट मनी वेरी केयरफुल ओके नो गाइड ओके 1 hour 2 hour ताजमहल नो प्रॉब्लम आफ्टर आगरा फोर्ट योर लंच बाजार कंपेकेट स्टेशन बस पे बोलोगा बस पे मथुरा के लिए बस भी जाता है
बस कितना बजे है?
अब बस हर 20 मिनट बाद 20 मिनट बाद
कितना टाइम लगता है?
मथुरा जाने का ओनली 2 hour
2 आवर बस 2 आवर है.
हाँ बस वेरी गुड
हाँ हाँ
ओके दिस योर गेट मैं आपको गेट पे छोड़ दे रहा हूँ सही है अपना घूमने के बाद इधर ही आने का मेट्रो स्टेशन
मेट्रो स्टेशन
हाँ
Metro also is there. In Agra also we have metro.
ताजमहल के बाद तो कोई शॉपिंग वगैरह कुछ ही नहीं, सीधे या ना सीधे वापस आने का। ये मेट्रो स्टेशन लिखा है ना, इधर ही आगे, इधर आगे कॉल कर देना, नहीं तो वहाँ पे
ताजमहल metro station.
कवर वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं लेना है आपको, शूज कवर कहेगा नहीं लेने का। चलिए अपना पॉकेट मनी का ध्यान रखना है, वेरी केयरफुल। सामने ये शू कवर ले आना सर, स्लीपर के ऊपर कवर करना।
Here only you can do online. 2 person 490. Here you have guide information. So people are telling no need of guides. So better without guide only you guys can go.
Hide bad and
Automatic smart toilet, gents and ladies here. Taj Mahal locker room. Early. Taj Mahal locker room. Tourist guide facilitation center. Neem Tiraha, Westgate, Agra. So if elderly people or family comes in, instead of walking, you guys can opt out this vehicle also. This one how much, sir?
Gate.
We have Taj restaurant. Welcome to Taj Mahal Westgate Inn.
Taj Mahal West Entry. You scan 11 code for 11.
This is entry, Westgate entry area. If you miss your tickets, extra 100, and ticket time only 3 hours.
They're all about monkeys. Monkeys are there, it seems.
Please keep distance from monkeys.
ಅವಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಡ್ಕದ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು.
Here it is.
He's hiding
Not
and
allowed.
taking videos.
Don't know it is allowed or what.
ఒక్కనండి Now we are doing photo shoot.
Yeah, stand here. Bag is downside.
हेलो
भैया मैडम मूव दिस साइड फुल मूव मैडम मूव दिस साइड फुल Right, hello. Hello. Sir, look the camera, both of you. Sir, left hand hold. Yeah. Yes, sir. Left hand. Yeah. Talking. You like this? Yeah, keep your hands already. Okay. So you come only solo for madam? Yes. Madam, you like this? Is this side? Okay. Your solo photo, sir? पॉकेट में हाँ रखेंगे भैया. 1 2 3. Just look this side. हेलो फोटोग्राफर साहब, थोड़ा इधर आ जाओ. हेलो. कहीं पे भी खड़ा नहीं कर रहा है भाई. Open your hand. भैया फुल टर्न. Both hand pockets, sir. Yeah, look the camera. Full turn. Move this side. Yeah. You want holding photo? No, come here.
Holding means?
लेसड़े दे दी.
You want this holding photo? See. Okay. 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 Okay, sister. See. Okay. Finish. Total photo 17. You take more?
No.
No sitting photo you want? No?
They are sitting on the in this
You want
stone.
this? Sitting photo? Come. Sit on the bench. लगे दे. Auntie. Take the photo. Come here. जाइए. मैडम बहुत आने भैया 5
अपने साथ लोग
वन टाइम कर सकें. Smile. Madam, closer. Yeah, look straight. One, two, sir, leg down. Yeah. Perfect. 1 2 3, ready, smile. Okay. Sir, madam, one hand back. Both back on the bench. Both back on the bench. One leg is flat. Yeah. Okay, look straight. 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this. Do like that. Yeah, look. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sir, your photo sitting? See. All photo you 25. Finish.
7,
25.
25 photo. Taken more? You're finished.
No. In this one will...
Which one?
In sitting all okay. Standing all will remove.
No, come from first.
All photo is nice, sir. Don't worry. Not to come again here. This first photo sister.
Okay.
See.
No, okay.
See. See.
This one no need no.
This one no?
This is good.
No.
Good only.
No, first.
Do
No, one minute. Go to first one. First one also same.
No same. All different photo.
No, see, this is like same.
This is kissing. That is kissing.
See this. All photo different. This is the side face. Side face.
ಇದು okay
Side face, sir. Not to center.
Okay, this one no need.
No need, tell it. Look the Taj.
ಇದು ಎರಡು ಬೇಕಾ ಒಂದು
So
ಸಾಕು
this one no need.
this one no need.
This one candid photo.
No.
This one needed. This one is there no. This one no need no.
Which one? This one?
Is good. This one no need.
One minute.
No need.
Will
One
it?
more.
This one close up.
This is good. This one no.
Will it?
Handle.
This one or that one no.
All picture is different. Don't
This one
worry.
no needed. This one no need.
Delete. Your photo.
No. This one no need.
This one?
No need.
No need.
This one.
This also I was. This one will take one more.
Okay. Okay. Sitting photo is good.
1 minute.
Sitting is good.
This one no need. Only that. Wait 1 minute. ಇದು ಓಕೆ ವೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಡ್ಕಲಮ್ಮ
Perfect, sir.
ಸರಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
ಓಕೆ
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ
Finish. Come to Wataj.
ओके एनी डिस्काउंट
सर आपको मैं सिलेक्शन करा दिया. सिलेक्शन नहीं होता सॉफ्ट कॉपी में.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಲಾ 630
One
will.
copy not possible दीदी. Minimum 5 photograph. Print it on your home ना.
ಹಾಂ
So it's a good quality.
हाँ ओके
Okay. Give me mobile. Sir. C type.
या
भैया ताज होल्डर. ओके.
ओके
You will check.
ओके थैंक्स
First you check. File manager. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
वन सी हाउ मेनी फोटोस
20 ಇದೆ
Okay.
ಇದೆ 20
Thank you.
ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇರ್ಕೊಂಡು
ನನ್ನ
So now we have taken 20 photos. So one each it is 30. So good only. We can select also. They are waiting for it. So here you have benches also.
Hard copy भी आएगा, soft copy भी आएगा.
Whatever poses they are only suggesting. Actually we are introverts, we don't know poses, so here only they are suggesting, so that is good. Okay, we'll go near Taj Mahal and we'll continue.
आपका नाम क्या है? नाम भूल गया मैं.
This is only that photo spot, trending area.
Take photos here only. Below they will tell us to take. That is also good, but this is better. I think.
Which will come with that white color marble stone. So there outside also they are taking. So this one view will be good. So better choose here. We are not aware about this
I
place,
told,
so we
but
have
sir,
taken that.
I was aware. I told this sir did not agree.
Don't believe. So beside we have gardens also. Entry into garden is prohibited. Entry for general ticket holders. So we should go this side. This is side view of Taj Mahal. So here we have to keep our shoes. Here children also came. We have mask also. So this is allowed only on Friday 12 to 2 p.m. which is beside Taj Mahal. On Friday Taj Mahal will be closed, so only mosque will be opened. All types of shoe covers are free. Please promote reusable shoe cover. So here only they are giving shoe cover. It's for slipper also you can put. Just put on upwards. Inside shoe or slipper, upwards you should. Then only they will allow inside. So here we saw one the tourist guide. He was explaining to one tourist like why this was built like that. Why it was built, Chaitra?
Why it was built? Actually, when Mumtaz was alive, she asked 4 promises from her husband. So first one is she was already not feeling well, so he should take care of his children. First one. Second one, he should marry again. Third one, he should build something beautiful which others cannot imagine in their dreams also. So that is what is Taj Mahal. And fourth one is after her death, every death anniversary he should visit this place. But fourth, that last one is not fulfilled, it seems, because his son Aurangzeb kept him in house arrest.
So it did not happen. So here we got one free guide. For guide you have to pay 500. If you are going behind them, you will get this kind of
Free information.
free information. Entry only for 200 value ticket holders in main. So this one you can take it here also, or you can take online also. I think inside video is not allowed. Once we came back, I will show that. Beside or backside,
This is back side.
we have Yamuna river here.
That will show.
We'll show you later. Bye bye. Taj Mahal. Built for 17th wife. Came upwards Taj Mahal. This is the route. So that is Taj Mahal entrance. This is only seventh wonder, Taj Mahal. Came here. So we can take camera and mobile phone inside, sir, but it is not allowed. So better to keep it switched off. Okay, once we are back, we will connect. We came outside. So it's just like two tomb. Nothing much.
Middle one is Mumtaz.
Yeah, so
And
once you
right side they
came inside, middle one is Mumtaz. Right side to that, it is Shah Jahan. There we had one fun. That CASF officer, they were asking, one guy was asking, can we go inside? Like that he was asking. For that police guy was telling,
military person is standing.
he was telling, okay, you try once, you will become third term nearby only. So they were like friendly and jovial. Good. Inside they mentioned no photography.
Come there is a
Unknowingly you can take, but it is risk. So here, as I said, beside is Yamuna river. So you can see here. Now there is no much water, but still it is there. So this is Taj Mahal. That is mosque. Here is Yamuna river. She can't able to walk with this cover. For me it is fit. So again this is Taj Mahal entrance. We went inside and the back side is exit. We came by this way and now we are going outside. No, we have to keep outside only. This is way to exit. So please. Hello. So we have to put our shoe covers in dustbin only.
टिकट उधर आगे भी मिलेगा हाँ 200 का
There only we should. Finally we have completed the Taj Mahal trip. Next we wanted to go for Agra Fort. How was the experience, Chaitra?
Good. Worth visiting.
Like in movies and all, they will tell now. One time watching.
One time.
Don't think about miskin. He will say, what, this is your home, you have to come all this. So this is good only. So now we are going for exit. Next we'll go for Agra Fort. Bye. If you call the Tata guy, he will come for pickup. Next stop is Agra Fort. Agra Fort. From Taj Mahal is 1.8 kilometers. Ambedkar Chowk metro station.
ये सामने गेट है सामने गेट मेन गेट मिलेगा राइट में घूमने के बाद इधर आके फोन करना है फिर इसके बाद चलेगा अभी आपको आगरा फोर्ट के बाद खाना फिर उसके बाद शॉपिंग ठीक है फिर आगे आराम से घूमो कोई बात
This is Agra Fort. The entrance fee is 50 rupees it seems. We'll see. Agra Fort. Here we have a booking counter.
Cash the.
So everywhere they are accepting only cash. So admission fee 40 rupees. Survey of India. Patkar fee. Total 50. For foreign tourists it is 650 rupees. Also we have difference. Cash payment for both Indian tourists, cash it is 50. For foreign tourist, cash payment it is 650. Cashless payment it is 600. SAARC countries and
They mentioned 40.
BIMSTEC tourists it is 85 rupees.
See here.
We got our tickets.
ASI fee 35, AC 5, total 40, but 10 rupees extra for Agra Fort. I
So
don't know
see
for
there,
what.
for cash payment 650 foreign tourist. Cashless it is 600. So and it is free on Friday. It means Pakkar free on Friday. So you can see this one. Nearby only we have parking. This is entrance. Booking window will be closed 45 minutes. Sunrise to sunset. Oh, checking done. Today we have this. We came inside. Huh?
ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಆದ್ರೆ ಪೇಡ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಪೇಡ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Yes, top to cover this.
This is how they built. I think in Tamil they'll tell Sengal. Sengal Psycho. See, they Shahjahan moved capital from here to Delhi it seems. Now backside that guide was telling, this is second largest fort it seems. First one is in Rajasthan, which is around 3 kilometers. This is 2.5 it seems. Thank you guide. Without guide only we will get information.
They are telling something.
Like Taj Mahal. Do not pluck the flowers. Flowers only not there now. Inside we have baby care room also. This side government publication. Bus. Books and all will be available.
Can we sit for the
Anguri bug.
ಅದೇ ಅಂದ ಸೈಡ್
Khas Mahal.
ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
அங்கே என்னமோ இருக்குடி, அங்கே ஏதோ போகிறாங்க பாரு, ஓப்பனிங். This is looking like Small Taj Mahal.
Vous regardez le petit livre sur le côté du portrait, sur le flair. Elle avait pas c'était d'accord avec le tapis, avec le porte qu'on voit du soldat. C'était, à l'époque, c'était très joli d'abord.
Here Taj Mahal also visible. See there Taj Mahal is visible. Agra Fort. You mentioned that. To see it in zoom. Zoom on. You can see that.
Yamuna River and Taj.
Still zoom.
Yamuna River, Taj.
This is Taj Mahal. In GoPro we can't able to zoom, so we can use this zooming option.
IQ.
IQ 9 Neo Pro. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದೇ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ದೇವರು.
मैम आप लोग देखेंगे ऐसा मीना मस्जिद भारत का सबसे छोटा मस्जिद है। रॉयल फैमिली इसके लिए बनाया गया था कि शाहजहां जब अरेस्ट हुए तो ये यूज़ करते थे।
मीना मस्जिद।
के साथ यहाँ नमाज पढ़ने आते थे, सोलर सिक्योरिटी के साथ बैठ जाते थे। यही वो मस्जिद है।
मीना मस्जिद.
इसका अंदर मस्जिद है.
no safe from anybody.
Be careful with your children. So only hold it up. They will jump off from here.
Really, there is no safety.
Again, we can able to see Taj Mahal from here. What is this one?
Sitting and enjoying.
Here only Shahjahan and Mumtaz will
Sit and
dance.
enjoy the beauty. Hey, Alena,
Like that. We are
Alena,
creating histories.
That is
Don't
good.
believe.
Yeah, that is good.
This place is good.
This is also good.
Hey, nee tiruppi zoom mandri.
Hey,
Taj
there
Mahal.
only we went right.
Taj Mahal zoom mandri.
Stone.
This free guide has taken some information from that person and giving
They
information
kept
here.
one stone, right? Black color. That stone was brought from Belgium.
आप लोग देखेंगे यहाँ पे
Belgium.
handicrafting
Belgium.
items में क्या करते हैं
Okay.
For some creating some bed or something, it said. Then and that stone also not normal stone. That jewelry shop people will keep to check whether it is pure gold or not. They'll keep one stone. That is that stone only. It seems costly.
Okay. Okay. So as we said, it is not for playing.
There
We
is
have
some
some
reason
history.
for something he bought.
So only they kept.
Ikkada.
See this. Shahi hammam and water supply system. Hammam soap here only they will. Hammam soap and water they will give. You can take bath. It's in Hindi also. Again Taj Mahal there. Oh, places are like mystery.
आज से 1000 साल पहले
It will slip. It will slip. Be careful. Sorry.
See, we'll see. Here we'll get some information. From where they took here, this one. Actually, they can keep that information here only.
What is this? We don't know. This is also from white marble, but what it is?
But they are not keeping because we said that people will see here. If you keep information, there will be no work for guides. So they are doing
Not
like that.
like that. There is some reason. He's just joking. Don't.
No, they can keep information there only.
Somewhere they kept.
This is like business.
ಅದೇನು
Mathura train from Agra at 3:30. Until then we can spend time. After that we can go. What is this? In memory, Iqbal Russell Bolivia 1807.
Governor of North
Pronouns of India.
West Provinces of India.
Provinces. So now Agra Fort has been completed. Somewhere they will take in tower. Where is that? We don't know. Even from there you can see full Agra city, they said. But where is that tower? I don't
Leave
know.
Agra city, I'll show Vrindavan and Barsan. This is complete waste. Just for sightseeing we came.
Yeah, it is okay. So if you see Red Fort, don't come to Agra Fort. If you see Agra Fort, don't go to Red Fort. All are same. Agra Fort is like Red Fort and Taj Mahal both together is Agra Fort. Don't ask them if we come here, no need to go for Taj Mahal and Red Fort. That is different, this is different. Okay, we are going outside. Bye bye. Chaitra, bye. This is exit. Again we should go to same area. So we are leaving and we'll catch that auto guy. We'll go to maybe lunch or else direct train. Small doors. That time and all, people are like 3 feet only.
Not like that.
They should bend their
Their head and their
head and go. Idukula ponuma?
Nowadays they are not bending, so ego also more.
Nee idukula ponuma? No need, no. They are going. No. So it is not, no. Okay, bye. Foreigners also coming. Some people coming in tourist bus. Some people in this van for Agra Fort. We called our auto. He is on the way. We are calling second time. Still auto guy third time. Still auto guy did not came. For us 3:30 we have train to Mathura. Still I think he went for another ride. We'll see. We'll catch that 3:30 train.
3:30. 4 o'clock को भी ट्रेन.
No, 3:30 we have to go.
मथुरा की मेरी ट्रेन है मैडम.
वहाँ घूमना है, हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है.
अपना 3:30 को भी है, 4 o'clock को भी है.
हाँ, पर वहाँ भी हम देखना है ना.
हाँ.
टाइम नहीं.
We booked our ticket from Agra to Mathura, which is at 3:30. But since auto guy came left, so it is showing we can reach by 3:28. We'll see. Hopefully we should catch the train.
वो यो बाउचर है.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए गाड़ी संख्या 1280
ಇದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾ?
मथुरा जंक्शन के रास्ते हजरत निजामुद्दीन को जाने वाली प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 3 पर आ चुकी है. धन्यवाद.
ಇದು ತಾನೆ? ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Okay, Bhaiya, thanks. Speed on.
Express from
We came. Still in 2 minutes train will start.
Gwalior, Jhansi,
Now it is
Bhopal has
3:30,
been changed
28.
today.
ஏறிடுவியா ஏறுவியா ஏற முடியலன்னா விட்டுரு வேண்டாம் விட்டுரு இரு ஸ்லோ பண்ணுறாங்களான்னு பார்ப்போம் ஏற முடியாது இது நான் ஏறிடுவேன், நீ கஷ்டம்.
கை பிடிச்சி எனக்கு எடுத்து விடுடி.
வேண்டாம் விட்டு. We missed the train successfully. But auto nonsense is scam.
ஏய் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டா.
Slow down the train so we got inside.
आ रही है बहुत इतनी भीड़ नहीं है आज।
In train they kept Meher Baba photo. Meher Baba photo. We came. We are full rush for Delhi. Same train. They are going inside emergency exit.
If you come, we'll go. We don't have time. Come, pa.
Actually, inside no rush only.
Okay, you
They
come.
are not even moving. There only we took our room. Vimal Haku. So here, Indian government left side. Guruvayur Gam. You pay my bike here, right? We have to get upwards. Stairs on there, small lifts. This side is our room.
This is all messed up.
This is only our room. 1,000 per day. இது அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு. Small but enough. We have geyser facility also. And we have TV. We have Wi-Fi also. Wi-Fi also speed. Bed also good only.
Wi-Fi you shut down.
I used in TV. It is speed on YouTube. AC vent is there, but AC not there. For 1,000 rupees, it is costly only. But others are they are giving reducing 200, but no clean. Comparatively, this is clean and good. So we'll see today. After getting fresh up, we are planning for Mathura, nearby temples. We'll see how much we can cover today. Now we are going to
वापस आओगे
ना करो.
वापस आना है वापस
नहीं नहीं
नहीं आना
नहीं.
छोड़ना छोड़ना
Only going.
लाओ दीदी के वापस आना है क्या लौट के आना है
नहीं.
खाली मन दर्शन करके आओगे आराम से आओगे
Only the temple. Dwarakadhish. Going in this auto. 150 they said. 120 we bargained. front of room only we got this auto. Here more autos will be there. They will be fighting me, you like that. So this temple only we are going, which is famous in Mathura. So it will close by 7. Now it is already 6:04. We can reach in 10 minutes. So if you guys are planning before 7 o'clock. So they will not come until temple. This is one way. So they will stop and
No, here that auto should not come. So
no, autos not allowed. Only two-wheeler and this cycle wala they will come. Cycle they asked how much, 10 or 20?
I don't
They are telling. And how come this guy came?
At this way I have to go. This is Vishram Ghat. We'll come here at last.
So here we
we'll
have-
see in 1 minute.
This side only temple.
We still have to move 600 meters. So it's
Ah.
already late. We'll just come and see.
Here we have boating. Mostly we will do tomorrow, I guess. So we'll show this place tomorrow or today evening if possible. So we took flower here only and removed slipper there itself.
20
This is the temple, full of lighting. Hey, inga. This one or that one? Maybe I think the exit nanikrandi. This one given for Naivedyam they have did for this. It is 30 rupees. Inside they are not allowing bags, phone and camera allowed. So we gave to this shop 20 rupees. Rush. It is main temple but there is no place. Full Haran.
For this much flower they are asking 5 rupees. That is good only, right?
Even flowers all rate less only. 10 rupees, 20 rupees. We took one big one. It was just Chaitra. Super. So that plate full of flower they are telling just 20 rupees. So which is good only. So nearby only in the train, that river they are doing Aarti. We'll try to cover that also. From here they are doing here only. Inside this only we should go. Hey, this slipper out. Give me. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ So here only we should go. They will do Aarti for river, Yamuna river this is. So this area only they will do Aarti. There we have boating also. Full rush.
कहीं दान नहीं करे यमुना जी में। इधर यमुना जी का पूजा होता, वो इधर देख पूरा वर्ल्ड में यम शनि यमुना जी का भाई, इधर यम शनि से मुक्ति मिलता है। कुछ कराने लायक हो तो इधर यमुना जी को जो अन्नदान होता, तो शक्ति हो तो दान करने का नहीं तो हाथ जोड़ देना अपने माता पिता के लिए मन बोले।
So ladies, we have to put like this.
समय अभी पवित्र पवित्र सर्वावस्थांगे स्मरे समाह्याभ्याम हाथ जोड़ो बोलो मुख से बोलो अयोध्या मथुरा
मथुरा
माया
आया
काशी
काशी
कांची
कांची
अवंतका
अवंतुका
पुरी द्वारका
द्वारका
सप्तपुरी
सप्तपुरी
मोक्षदायका
मोक्षदायक
हे यमुना जी
ये हमारे
माता पिता के
माता पिता के
वंश का
वंश का
सास ससुर के
शास्त्र के
वंश का
वंश का
नानी नाना के
नानी नाना का
वंश का
वंश का
परिवार का
परिवार का
भूला चूका
बुरा चुका
दर्शन की
दर्शन की
पूजन की
पूजन की
स्नान की
स्नान की
दान की
दान की
कामना करे
कामना करे।
वो हमारे साथ
हमारे साथ
विश्राम घाट
विश्राम का
दर्शन करे पूजन करे
पूजन
हमको आशीर्वाद दे। थाली बजाओ आहा बोल कृष्ण भगवान की
जय
स्माइल करो आहा बोल यमुने महारानी की जय। स्वास्थ्य बनाओ स्वास्तिनो ममिता स्वास्तिनो संवादे सोयन्द्रोऽस्तु स्वस्तिरेन्द्रो बृहस्पतिर्वा स्वस्तिन पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्तिन तार्क्ष्यो वरिष्ठने बृहस्पतिर् दधातु।
यू इकडे नाही
चावल जलाओ एक एक पुष्प जलाओ।
भरत खंडे भरत वर्षे आद्वारा क्षेत्रे महामंगल मासोत्तम मासे
गंधद्वारां राजश्यां नित्यपुष्टां गरीश्वरी ईश्वरी सर्वभूतानां ताम्यो बनवेश्य ओम
ओम
गंधम
गंधम
अक्षतम
अक्षतम
पुष्पम
पुष्पम
समर्पयामि
समर्पयामि
यमुना देवी
यमुना देवी
सूर्य देवता कुल देवता गुरु देवता
गुरु देवता
यम देवता
यम देवता
शनि देवता
शनि देवता
यमुना जी
यमुना जी
कालिंद्री
कालिंद्री
नमो नमः
नमो नमः
तम समर्पयामि। अपने मम्मी पापा को प्रणाम अपने मम्मी पापा को प्रणाम करो सास ससुर को प्रणाम करो अपना कुल देवी को प्रणाम करो मातृदेवो ये कोई मंदिर में नहीं कराएगा आपसे। किसी होटल में भी जाओगे नहीं, आपसे पहले आपकी आईडी मांगेगा। धर्म की आईडी अपना गोत्र होता है, नाम मुझे आपको यही बोलना पड़ेगा। ओम श्री विष्णु अद्य ब्रह्म विद्य फलादे श्री श्वेत बाराकर्भे वैवत श्रीराम मंदिरे माशानां मासोत्तमे मासे चैत्र मासे सुबह कृष्ण पक्ष कुंद पर्वणि चौथ नाम तो मंगलवार। अपना नाम बोलो।
अशोक।
अपना गोत्र नहीं मालूम। कश्यप। कौशिक। अपना माता पिता का नाम बोलो। नाम बोलो। नाम नहीं मालूम। बोलो राधा कृष्ण।
राधा कृष्ण।
तेरे माता पिता कौन है?
राधा कृष्ण।
राधा कृष्ण। हमारा माता पिता अब बोलो यमुना जी। जाना अनजाना भूला चुका पाप दोष अपराध क्षमा करना। घर में अन्न की धन की ऐश्वर्य की आयु की बाल बच्चों की वृद्धि करना। अपने भाई यम से शनि से यम यातना से हमारे वंश परिवार की घर परिवार की बाल बच्चों की रक्षा करना। पूर्वजों को सतगति प्रदान कराना। मथुरापुरी गौलोक धाम माता पिता गुरु गोविंद को घर की उन्नति के लिए यम से शनि से मुक्ति के लिए यहाँ पे रहे बड़े आदमी 16 प्रकार का दान करते थे। अन्नदान, गौदान, वस्त्रदान, भूमिदान, थोड़ादान, धनदान हर कोई नहीं करता है। घूमने फिरने वाला आकर के केवल अन्नदान करता है। कोई टैक्स नहीं है आप पर, कोई जबरदस्ती कोई फोर्स नहीं करता है। ना कोई जीवन में लेकर आए ना कोई लेके जाता है दादा। अपना कर्म अपना धर्म अपने संग में जाता है। इधर भगवान कृष्ण ने माता पिता को जेल से छुड़ा करके मामा कंस को मार के 1.25 लाख गाय दान में दिया। आज के जमाने में गाय दान करो तो 50,000 रुपए का गाय आता है और 1 साल का भोजन, और वो भी कोई नहीं करता है। तो गौ ब्राह्मण के लिए भोजन कोई 5 ब्राह्मण को करता है, कोई 1 ब्राह्मण को करता है, कोई 11 ब्राह्मण को करता है। हम लोग खाता है, आपके परिवार पूर्वजों को लगता है। धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष में गरीब मुजम से एक ब्राह्मण को आज के जमाने में भोजन कराओ, आधा गौ आधा ब्राह्मण को तो 500 रुपये का खर्चा लगता है। 2 कराओ 1000 लगता है, 5 कराओ बच्चों को। आपकी जो शक्ति हो, जो आपको जिस लायक बनाया हो, कोई हम आपको टैक्स नहीं है। कोई आपसे बोल दो कि आपको उतना ही करना है, जो आपका मन बोले। कराने वाले हजारों ब्राह्मणों को भोजन कराते हैं। कर्म अपना है और धर्म अपना है। जो आपका मन बोले आप बोलो वसुदेव सुतम देवम कंस चांडुल मर्दनम देवकी परमानंदम कृष्णम वंदे जगत गुरु। हे जमुना जी, राधा रानी, कृष्ण भगवान हमारे सभी ग्रहों को शांत करना, घर परिवार में सुख शांति करना, आनंद करना, मंगल करना। आपके गौलोक धाम में अपने माता पिता को, अपने सास ससुर को, अपने पूर्वजों के उद्धार के लिए राजी खुशी से बड़े प्रेम से आपको हम बोलो। नाम तुम्हारा? खूब तेरी यशकीर्ति बढ़े, बड़ा ऑफिसर बने, नारी सदा आनंद करे। और अगली बार लाला को गोदी में हमारे बाल लेके आ बता। माता पिता का नाम बोल। क्या नाम बताया हमने? हाँ, राधा कृष्ण जय हो यमुना जी। सदा सौभाग्यवती नामिया धनम धान्यों में जो भावपुत्र लाभम सरसम बचतों दीर्घायु तेरी गोदी में गोपाल आवे, तेरे पति की खूब यश कीर्ति बढ़े, कमाई बढ़े। क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? मम्मी पापा का?
मम्मी पापा का नागराज नागरत्न।
बोलो यमुना जी मनोकामना पूर्ण करो, पूर्ण करो। जो मन बोल रहे हैं बोलना पड़ता है। जो तेरा मन बोल नृत्यमध्ये यंगनाटक जनगणक प्रजागा ब्राह्मण भजन नृत्य प्रसाद मद्राजी दर्शन यात्रा करेगी।
If you come in boat, you can see from boat also. It will start by night 7 o'clock. Mama video call करना है। अरे हम ग्रुप के बना। Aarti has been done. Boat also they are moving.
चलो 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 आप आगे चलिए.
Aarti is done. Now we are leaving this place. From this Aarti place we are going to Krishna Janmabhoomi, which is 2 kilometers. Krishna Janmabhoomi in Karato, 20 rupees per person. We are full rush. This is the famous temple, Dwaraka. It is already closed. Dwaraka Holy Gate. This is Krishna Janmabhoomi. We have entered Krishna Janmabhoomi.
This is actually good, no?
Back side is Holy Gate. Beautiful building. So nearby we have shops also. ICICI Bank ATM. இதான் நினைக்கிறேன். இங்கே பாரு, இதுதான் மெயின். இது அங்கே பார்ப்போம். Things. Everything, mobile, camera, smartwatches, everything. In entrance, this is only cloak room. We have 3 cloak rooms. So for everything they will collect 10 rupees. So first 2 for boys, third one for gents. Sorry, ladies. So this is only entry. Here they will do double check whether mobile, electronics item, camera, anything we are taking or not. So here also they will check. After that also they will check. For ladies and gents it is separate checking. So they will do frisking. Here we have dress shop, restaurant, everything we have. We thought of having outside only, but luckily we got prasadam inside only. It was good. And inside, since they are not allowing mobile, we can't able to take any videos. It was good. So here only Krishna was born. So inside, while we are coming outside, they are putting this laser show, same like Isha Foundation. They will do on So in front only we have Madrasi shop. This is entrance. We have masala dosa, plain dosa, onion masala dosa, paneer dosa, all types of dosa. Uttapam, pav bhaji, everything we have. I think South Indian style. So here we came to share auto. It is from here to railway station just 20 rupees. While coming we came by giving 120, 130. And then again from there to here 20, 40. So by giving 170 we came. While going we are giving 40 rupees.
while coming we came, no, he cheated us. Actual rate is 20 only. Because the large person also told us 20 rupees if you are going, you can go to Dwarkadish temple. I think.
So there one.
So we don't know these rates, how
Actually that was closing time also. So we came in hurry. So it was so good. Janmabhoomi.
So anybody coming, if per person 20 rupees share auto, come like that. Don't come
Ask
in,
for 20 rupees only.
don't take private auto, better take share auto.
So like this only share. Comparative to auto here, share auto only will be more. They will come to you and they will ask where you should be going. And what is your review on Janmabhoomi?
Awesome. There you can see the real stone where Krishna was born. It's great. You can still feel that, and they have made some demo of how the child was. But place, everything, place and stone is old one only. But all other things are there innovated.
So you should be giving 10 rupees ticket. 10 rupees ticket means there they will show that.
Free.
That's what the ticket
Model
where.
kind of things are there for that.
So there like kind of history when he born, what and all he did. With sculptures they have given some details. For that one 10 rupees. And then Janmabhoomi you no need to give anything. You can go inside. Luckily we got prasadam also. What is that one?
Don't know.
It's like veg biryani only, but more the dry grapes they have put. And while coming outside, what is that, laser show was there. Actually like same like Isha, laser show they will do on
On the building only they will do.
here they are doing on building only. In Isha they will do on Shiva itself. Here in body only
No
there.
particular time, it will be continuously running like this.
Here after closing time they are doing that laser show. It was good. So totally it was awesome.
Tomorrow we'll meet and we saw Aarti also, no?
Same tomorrow morning.
Vishram Ghat. Tomorrow morning we are still going there. Take holy bath.
There we'll continue. Bye bye. This is only UPSRTC bus stand. From here Agra bus stand and all can go.
UPSRTC, local bus stand, we don't know.